finding the confidence to tell myself that I belong there.
You're the first candidate who participated in the Ashland pitch competition from the computer science program, and you won the prize.
I actually got the highest score I could have gotten. Getting that hands-on exposure, I think, is really important.
How are you, Sadae?
Good.
Good. Hope things are going well for you.
Yeah, I actually just recently had my performance review, so that went good. I actually got the highest score I could have gotten.
Oh, good.
So,
Good. I'm so proud of you, Sadae. And then, yeah, I know you will do good. Do you have any challenges in your profession?
Honestly, I would say the biggest challenge for me was just getting accustomed to the big environment. When I went to Apple, I met a ton of different people, and I think the biggest thing for me was just, finding the confidence to tell myself that I belong there.
Yes.
And so I I think the biggest thing that helped me was, reassurance from my manager, but also just slowly getting used to things over time. So, and also the community there too on Apple, everyone wants to see you succeed, and just talking with everyone, and also talking with my mentor, I was able to just learn about the company and just get the skills that I needed to get to where I am today.
Good. That's awesome. So, do you think, I know that is the experiences you took in the computer science program helped you to achieve this?
Yeah, I would definitely say so. Especially when you told me to do the AU business pitch competition. I think that really helped me a lot because I remember even being in class, I was very soft-spoken. And so I think doing that and getting out of my shell and just forcing myself to talk in front of people was really important, because I have to talk in front of people every day at my job. And also giving presentations too. I know that every year you have a lot of your students do the IRCA presentation. And I think that's also really helpful too, because I feel like having presentation skills and also having those soft skills to talk in front of people is really important.
Yeah, you're the I'm proud to say that you're the first candidate who participated in the Ashland pitch competition from the computer science program, and you won the prize for its development. And you presented the extension of the work in the IRCA competition. All those are wonderful. And you're a very good team leader. Yeah, I'm sure you're a very good team leader. You know how to drive the team and all those.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Do you think, I know that is the programming knowledge and the fundamental concepts in computer science, like the data structures, all those helped you to prepare for the interview perspective when you start applying for the jobs?
Yeah, I mean, the classes that I took here with intro to object-oriented programming, data structures and algorithms, I think all those things are important fundamentals, especially when you get to the job interviews. Even for internships, they would ask me programming questions just to make sure that I knew how to code and knew where to apply those data structures in certain situations. So I think that, it's really important, because you have to be able to pass those technical challenges in order to get further in the interview.
Good. And I know that you are a regular participant of our Ashland University ACM student chapter, and you have taken the leadership position also. Can you did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah, it was fun.
Yeah?
I got to meet people in the ACM club, and it was really fun, going to the different events too. And just and I also really appreciated some of the events that the club hosted, especially the career nights, where we had some of our alumni come in and just talk about their experience and what their company is looking for. I think that was really important for me, because it gave me a better idea of how to format my resume, what skills I needed to know, and what to expect during the interview. So all those things really helped me.
Yeah. Yes, I know. I know that is you were a participant. I know that is in your first year, and then I know when you have taken the leadership position in ACM, you yourself hosted the event of resume writing, and then LinkedIn account creations and all those. Those are wonderful times.
Yeah.
And I'm sure those things helped our students a lot.
Yeah.
Okay. And relating to your like outside of the classes, right? So we teach courses, you come, all students come to class, but outside of the classes, do you think like I know that something that motivates you, and that's something like I know that is make you to feel confident and say, oh, I'm happy and proud to be here?
I would definitely say like for me, what really motivated me was being able to see what could be done with programming and also seeing like the impact that I could have with it. So when I did like my first internship as a web programming intern, like I didn't really know a lot going in, but through there I was able to find a really good mentor who was able to like put me on the right track of what I needed to learn in order to like get further into my career. And like through that experience, I was able to get my second internship as a software development engineer and test. And that gave me a lot of confidence too, because I was able to, it's one thing doing work in class and actually working for a company. So, you know, when I came there and I was able to contribute and actually like make real world projects, that gave me a lot of confidence. And it made me a lot more confident in my skills too than what I learned at Ashland. So that was really important for me.
Okay, good. So like I know, so you say like I know that is the project-based activities, whatever we do it in the class helped you to extend the experience in the internships and all those, right?
Yeah, because I'm definitely someone where I need to kind of apply what I learn. And so for me, like being able to learn in the projects in class and then take that and apply those concepts to the project I'm working at my job, like that helped me a lot. And it also like makes me retain the information too. Like I think that's really important.
Okay, okay, that's perfect. And I'm so happy, like I know that is to see you, like I know, because I'm seeing you from your first year, right? Both of them started in the same year here. You, my first year job, and also like I know that is you as a freshman student. And then I consistently see your progress. I feel so proud of you.
Thank you. Yeah, it's honestly like even now, it still kind of feels surreal at times because, you know, like if I would have asked myself 4 years ago, like would I be here? I would have known. But you know, sometimes you just have to find that potential within yourself.
Right.
So
yes.
So yeah, I'm just really excited to just keep working and just keep doing what I'm doing.
Yes. Good. So do you want to like I know share anything like I know for the current students?
I would say the biggest thing is to do internships. I feel like that's really important. That's what a lot of companies are looking for right now. They want to see that not only can you do the work in class, but also apply what you know in class into real world experiences and work with companies. So getting that hands-on exposure, I think, is really important.
Good. Thank you. Yeah, like I know that it's we do the same practice of the project-based activities in the classes, and I'm sure, like I know, like you guys, like I know that would help the current students too.
Yeah.
And the one thing like now I want to share with you right now is we have included the artificial intelligence course into our curriculum. So the students are learning the current edging technology and planning to include the machine learning courses, like I know that it's as an elective if in the coming years. So with that, I want to ask you, like I know that is, to what extent of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the neural networks, like I know that is you guys use it in your company?
So I think it's really important because I think AI is just going to keep on improving and growing, and a lot of our companies are getting more accustomed and comfortable with using AI tools. I mean, even at Apple, I can't really disclose that much, but we have our own internal tools that we use. So I think that, you know, getting on top of the curve with learning those technologies, I think is really important. So that's actually really good that you have courseworks now on that. So.
Thank you. I remember, like I know that is in our previous, like I know discussion, like some month before, like I know that is you were talking about, you were discussing, like I know you were telling me that AI is growing, Dr. Shanmugam. Like I know that is, thank you for the feedback on that day. And all the best, and then do well with all the work you're doing. And always we are here for you.